What's up, family? What's good? How's everybody doing? Okay, guys, so from last week, we've been trading and I've been showing you some of my breakdown, and I literally posted on my YouTube channel and also to the group, right? So this week, I'm gonna show you the trades that I'm going to see and how I'm going to break down to you guys. So make sure to check out my YouTube channel for previous videos and make sure to subscribe, guys. Okay, so literally this week what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys some of the trades that I'm looking to take. So those trades is gonna be EURUSD, GBPJPY, and US30. So I'm gonna show you guys some of my thoughts about these trades, and we will continue. Okay, so this is GBPJPY, guys, and I think I've been putting the same. I think we've been in the same move for the past like week, and we've been moving nicely. We've been moving nicely from 183 to 180, and we literally use this support zone. We use 180, 200 and as a support zone from the last support, and we start pushing back up, right? So what I'm looking at this week is, as you guys can see, at daily time frame, we literally activated. We use this support zone to push back up, right? So trying to make it a little bit lower. I'm trying to make it a little bit lower so I can see more, right? So as you guys can see in here, guys, in here we have a fucking amazing aggressive sell, right? So we have a fucking amazing sell. So we literally activated a fucking amazing aggressive sell from here. So market has been pushing down since last week. Have been pushing down literally with a nice structure. You guys can see we have a nice roof here. Guys, we have a nice roof here, and we continue pushing down with a nice roof here, right? So we use the last break structure down in here. As you guys can see, market I literally put this on my previous, guys, on my previous breakdown, guys. Market literally come back here to the previous support zone. We have a support, and at the 4-hour time, as you guys can see, I think I posted this trade on my private signal room. We have buys. We take buys from here. We up like 198 pips, right? So what we do is, I'm still holding this trade, guys. If you hold a buy structure or buys trades in this GG, I think you are okay to go. But if you didn't enter yet, guys, as you guys can see, when we go lower, you guys can see we've been retracing back because we use this resistance zone to come back up, to come back for the last hit that we put in here. So to push back up, right? So we still have a move. If you've been holding, we still have a move like 25 pips. But if we see, let's see. So as you guys can see, let me put a Fibonacci here, and we have 23, right? 0.20, like 0.38 here, 0.5 here. So the best entry, I think we can wait it a little bit longer between these zones, so we can have a nice structure to come back, to push back up, right? So my thought for GJ, I think we're going to see more pushback till we see at least 183 or 182,800. That's what I'm going to see on GJ, because as you guys can see, even though if we go lower as a 2-hour time frame, we literally respected this high and respected this high, right? So as long as we didn't break this structure zone in here, so as long as we didn't break the structure zone around this place, guys, so the market definitely gonna push back up, right? So I don't want to rush on anything, guys. If you've been buying and if you've been holding this trade, I think you're good to go, because we literally tested around this move, but we didn't respect another we didn't make another lows. But as you guys can see, even we didn't make another lows, we still didn't break the structure. So I think we're good to go if we still holding buys, because as you guys can see, we have a retracement back from here, because as you guys can see in here, we have a last support zone. We use it as a resistance, right? So for me, if you guys didn't sell or buy anything, I think you should wait it until we make the same structure to come back before the market pushing back up. That's my thought on GJ. Even though if you guys see, let's go a little bit lower for 1 hour time frame. We still, as you guys can see, even though we break we test the zone and come back down 60 pips, we still didn't break this structure zone around this place. So I think we're good to go in to come back and retest and push back. If we didn't come back and push back, I think we can hold it a little bit longer to see what's gonna happen when the market opens, right? So I don't think it's better just to rush in on anything, because we still have a nice structure, as you guys can see, nice here. If we keep the trend, as long as we keep the trend, the market gonna come back for test us around this place and continue pushing up. That's my thoughts about GJ. If I have a nice entry on when New York open, I think I'm gonna take it. As you guys can see, if you want to check the whole video, you guys can go to the previous free webinars that I posted on YouTube. You guys can check it, because literally nothing changes. The market literally moving a nice move as we put it, right? So there is nothing to be scared of in this market. Just wait it to the as match best trade that we can get it. So enter around that place. As you guys can see, even though we go lower, the market making a nice structure. So even though we have aggressive sales around this place, the market still pushing us and giving us a nice structure. So I'm gonna take GJ and I'm gonna post the same trade that I'm going to take on signals. If you want to join, you guys can text me, and if I do live, I'm gonna do live freely, so we can take the trades together, right? So as you guys can see, even though we go lower, this is a 30-minute time frame, market literally tested around this place, right? We come back and tested around this place, but even though we didn't make a new high, we still respected this low. So as long as we keep respecting the lows and the structure, I think we're good to go, guys. We're good to go from the last webinar. So I think this is my thought on GJ. If you want me to clarify anything when I do live, you guys can ask me. Okay, let's get it.
Recording stop.